Union Arena. Chainsaw Man by the single booster box, random serial number 16. I'm wishing all of you two the absolute best of luck on this one. Let's see something to send us off into the weekend. We got 7 times my favorite number when it comes to single digits. 3, 4, 5, 6, and right there is 7 times. 7 times, 7 pips. So we got a good old copy and paste. Gonna get this thing printed, and we'll get going. Okay. Best of luck, best of luck. Your funky 2-pack. Did you get another one? We definitely can. We definitely can. Okay, come on. Come on. And if we don't see it here, that means there is a decent chance that it is one per. But I want to prove it wrong. We want to prove it wrong. Come on. Yeah. Really? They're that hard to get? That's crazy, dude. Should say the number, huh? Number 9. Hey, there you go, Abraham. Did a while ago, someone slow the roll. Oh, all good. I appreciate you, man, on the patience. We definitely can after this. There we got 6 and 0 on the power. Makima on the 2, and there's power on the number 1. Power! There we got Chainsaw Man on the number 7, and there is our action point. This one is number 1. No, we're hoping it's going to be right here. This is the last box we have, man. We got Denji on the number 1, Angel Devil on the 0. Chainsaw Man on the 7, Reze on the number 1 for the SR. Now we've got Denji on the number 7 and single star. Ultra or unrare or uncommon. Oh, of Denji. We haven't seen this one yet. Yo, we haven't seen this one. Although it fragmented, it looks like glass breaking all over the card, dude. This one is 50. That is a 0 spot. Gosh, that foiling, man. These parallels, bro. These friggin' parallels. 2 stars facsimile. Yeah, all the 2 stars are facsimile. Hope is not lost, friends. We've had several boxes with 2 alt arts in them. Come on. Denji on 7, Makima on 0. We got Bomb Devil on 6, and there's Chainsaw Man on the number 8. For that beautiful alt art. Or not alt art, pardon me. SR, pardon me. SR. There we got Makima on the 0 and I'm dying. This is like one of my biggest chases in this set. Oh, hang on. Trying not to choke and die. That was genuine. I got too excited and inhaled spit. That is a 0 spot. Oh man, music. I'm a heavy buyer on that card. I'm a heavy buyer on that card. I can't believe I actually started choking and dying over seeing the card. I didn't realize it was that card. Holy man. Holy. That's such a cool card. There was one episode in season 1 where the ending song looked like this. That's crazy. Are both on the 0? Yeah, both were 0. That's nuts. Yeah, I did almost choke. I think, Abraham, we could still hit our... I'm trying to remember if any of the action points in 9 are foil. Now we got 7. Reze on 0. Come on, we gotta get something here. There's Kobeni on the number 6. Makima on the number 4 for the SR. That is the number 4 SR. I'm sorry, Abraham. Now we got Denji on 6 and Power on 0. Makima on 2, Denji on number 1. Typhoon Devil. We got Pochita on the 7, Reze on the 0. Come on. I want to see, like, give us one box that just breaks our ankles. Something we don't expect. There's Kobani on the number 6, Denji on the number 8 on the SR. Oh no. Oh, I just realized something. We haven't hit our second action point, huh? We haven't hit our second action point. Well, folks, I think this means we have to get another case of Chainsaw Man, some way, somehow. Some way, somehow, we do need to get another case. We gotta find a 3-star. We gotta find the on-card autos. Angel Devil on the 0, and there is on the 0 the Bomb Demon, or Devil, pardon me. I've been saying demons. I meant to be saying devils. This whole time I was saying, you're right, demons, but it's all devils, not demons. Shame on me. Shame on me. Shame on me. No action point. I mean, we haven't seen any. We did 16 boxes, no action point. Here we go. Say numbers as we see them. We got 1, 0, 9, 8, 8, 4, 1, 1. We got the parallel here on 0 of Denji. And easily one of my favorite friggin' cards from this set right there of Power. That is so cool. on the 0. Folks, that was Union Arena Chainsaw Man by the single box, random serial number 16. Thank you all so very, very much.